Hey guys, this is Tarek. Welcome back to another video, and as you can see they are showing live subscriber count on my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add this live subscriber count on home screen. So before I start, make sure subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. So adding live subscriber count on home screen, first of all go to Play Store and type in the search box real time subscriber count, and as you can see I already download. So after download finish, just go to home screen and press and hold your home screen, then as you can see widget, and just press and find out live subscriber count widget. As you can see, here is it, and press and hold to place here. Okay, then select your channel. My channel is Tarek. So first my channel, just select. After selecting, it will be look like this, then press and hold to resize, so you can maximize this size. So I select this size, and as you can see, here is my channel icon and here is my channel name. So my total subscriber here, it will automatically update it frequently, or you can manually update just pressing this reload button. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on next video.